Let's go ahead and I'm going to put in the reflection for the yellow pepper next. And remember, we know that it's going to be about that wide, and then it's so that's going to give our width of our pepper, right? And then the height of it is going to be about, and so this one looks like about 3.5 inches tall. So if I just kind of come down here, point, I go about 3.5 inches. I know that this pepper is probably going to be about this tall in here. So now let's go ahead and do the same thing we did on the other ones, doing this outline. It looks to me like this is the furthest part out here, and so this is going to curve in to where they touch like that, and then this is going to curve over a little bit, and then it's got to come up. This one's got to come up a little bit, and then the little stem part is kind of almost right in the middle, that sticks up a little bit like this. Of it. And then this one is going to curve, going to start out and then just curve like that. And I'm going to start here. This one is this is where it touches, and so it curves out. It starts to go up like that. And so that's the part of it, right? Now we got to we got to shift things just a little bit, right? Between these lines, just a little bit wider, like that. And let's make it come in just a little bit, like that. Like we can see those lines that are in there. I don't really need these guidelines now that we're in those. And so I'm just going to erase those out. There's not as many interior value shapes in this one. And so there's the dark shape that's underneath here that creates this little diamond. The reflection, it just kind of curves up like this, and when it gets here, then it's going to move over a little bit. There's a little bit of a gap where then this one moves back over this way. Over to the side. And just kind of follows down the side here. And so there's value shape number one, this dark area here. This larger shape here, it's going to start from the bottom of this other one and come up here and this area. Be right up here by the stem. Like that. And so that's this one. From there, let's just put in our little of this guy. This one's bigger though. And then we had our little stem. there's a little bit of a reflection of a highlight area right in here. This piece. There's a little bit of it down here. Reflection, and two little pieces right here. And so that's the reflection of the pepper. Do a little bit of cleanup now. It's going to be the reflection of the yellow pepper.